trade recap on the day. Today is June 8th. This was absolutely beautiful trade. As you can see, it was around $1,000 profit, including my TraderVid account and my other two accounts. So absolutely beautiful. So let's get right into it. First thing, on the daily time frame, what did I see on the daily time frame? I'm going to cover my bias all the way down to my strategy. So daily time frame, we had relative equals right down below. This was obviously a very strong draw on liquidity that I wanted to see get taken. Then let's go on the 4 hour time frame. What do I see on the 4 hour? Once again, relative equals, and we also have this swing low below. So this was just very, very obvious that I want to see us go lower. Not only that, on the 4 hour time frame, from the clear start of the range, bottom of the range, we're also tapping right into discount inside of a 4 hour fair value gap. This was just picture perfect. I can't even talk for how beautiful this trade was. Now, not only that, we were also at the time respecting this 1 hour fair value gap. So bias was just very, very bearish on the day. Very, very bearish. So what I wanted to see coming into open was honestly very clear. I want to see a clear distribution lower, because not only that, we also have trendline liquidity below. This is beautiful LRL. So having that in mind, go down to the 30-minute. Once again, very beautiful LRL. Coming down all the way down to the 5-minute time frame. Now, this is exactly what I saw coming into open. So this is 9:30, which is right 1, 2, 3, somewhere here. 9:30 right here. So we see 9:30, we have a very clear distribution lower. I was actually thinking about taking this 5-minute IFEG over here and catching a continuation lower. But honestly, it was very, very late on the fill. So I was like, I'm not going to get like a crazy RR trade on this. I'm just going to wait for a clear retrace back inside and continuations lower. And that's exactly what we got over here. So pushing price forward, what do we see? We have a very nice fair value gap that we tapped right into inside of discount of the range once again. Then coming down to the 3-minute, I believe, that's where we had that IAVG. So I didn't end up taking it on this candle. I ended up taking it right over here. I'll show you my execution marks. Trading execution marks are not here. Oh, it's because I'm on a replay. Is it? Oh, I'm just not even logged into my broker. Okay, anyways. So anyways, I got my execution mark right over here. We got very close to stop loss, but then we end up having that continuation lower, targeting straight for that 1-to-1. This was honestly such a crisp and beautiful trade. Guys, I did end up taking this trade live in my Discord. So if you are interested in joining that, I have a link down below. Go check that out. And other than that, guys, if you do like this video and you want more recaps like this, leave a like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think and if you end up taking this trade as well. And I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Peace.